Uyu ni waki wa Ndaraca ya kwerera ya Likoni liwatoni thiini wa kaunti ya Mumbatha kuria uthiite na mbere na kunyitithio thinga. Riu waki uyu kirikana gukinyiria kurika na gicunji kia 92 hari 100 na kuria minista wa ukuui Macharia atongoririe mihang'o ya guthurima Ndaraca ino. Nyota na methugunda ma waki wa Ndaraca ino makinyanirio ni mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta mieri 3 mihituku thutha wa muhatikano munene wa andu kiringiro-ini kia feri kia Likoni kuonekana mahinda kwa mahinda.
The ferry could only take a few passengers because of social distancing. And so, with 2 kilometers of queuing, sometimes in the rain, sometimes in the hot sun, the president directed that we had to have an emergency intervention.
Kurika gwa tafarira ino kugukorwo kuhuthirite shiringi bilioni 1.9.
The initial target was to do it within 6 months, but because of improved technology which has been brought about by the contractor, it will now be completed just over 5 months.
Ndaraca ino iria iri na uraihu wa makiria ma mita 800 na kuria gicunji kia mita 150 kia Ndaraca ino kiri na uhoti wa gwikunja na kuhe mieke meri kuhetuka ikiingira kana kuma gicukiro-ini kia meri kia Mumbatha.
From the right, the bridge will be opened automatically, and so ships can cross. The floating bridge width is about 150 meters. We have done our homework and realized that the largest ships, the width is about 50 meters. And so we have left enough space, we have left enough headroom, even for the largest ships to come through.
Ndaraca ino ni tanyitwo kuhingura mieke ya mawira na wonjoria kuri aikari ya Mumbatha na Likoni, aingi aikari magikenerera waki wa Ndaraca ino. Macharia no athiite na mbere na gukinyiriria kuga ni kuri na mubango wa waki wa Ndaraca ya 1 kwa 1 kuma gicigirira-ini kia Mumbatha guthie mwena wa Likoni.
After design is complete by the month of June 2021, and with that, construction should start by December 2021. It is co-financed mainly by the government of Japan through JICA, and it will take a period of about 4 years.
President Uhuru Kenyatta ni atanyitwo kuruguria uhuthiri wa Ndaraca ino mbere ya muthia wa mwaka uyu.
It is 92% complete, and we came here to verify, to inspect the construction and completion before the official commissioning by His Excellency the President, which will be done very shortly.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma gicũa-ini kaunti ya Mumbatha, ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu.